To buy life insurance in USA. If you are just starting the process of shopping for life insurance, you may be feeling a little overwhelmed. Thinking about your priorities can help set you on the right track. The main four factors to consider when shopping for life insurance include what kind of policy is best for you, how much coverage you need anyway, what life insurance company to use, and how life insurance will further your overall financial strategy. These are big questions, but this guide will help you with each of them. To purchase a life insurance policy, follow these 8 steps. Decide if you need life insurance. Determine which type of life insurance is right for you. Decide how much life insurance you need. Select a life insurance policy. Choose a life insurance company. Find the right life insurance agent or broker. Choose the right life insurance riders. Purchase your life insurance policy. Decide if you need life insurance. The first thing to consider when shopping for life insurance is whether you need it in the first place. Life insurance is primarily designed to provide financially for your dependents after you die, although it also can be used for things such as benefiting a charity, or keeping a business going if one of the key employees dies. If none of these relationals applies to you, there's a good chance you don't need life insurance and would be better off investing your money elsewhere. Determine which type of life insurance is right for you. If you decide you need life insurance, the next step is to choose what type of policy is best for you. The main type of life insurance are term life insurance policies provide affordable coverage for a specific death benefits over a predetermined period such as 10, 20, 15, 20 or 30 years. It can be a smart choice for certain customers like parents who wants to ensure their children are provided for until they reach adulthood. However, once the term is complete, the policy is worthless. Instead of starting over from scratch, many life insurance companies offer the option to convert a term policy to a permanent fund such as a whole life or universal life policy. The cost and terms of these options vary with company and policy, and they are worth taking the time to discuss with a financial advisor before purchasing a new term life policy. Permanent life insurance. A category a category for coverage that includes whole life and universal life. These types of life insurance are more expensive than term but offer more benefits. In particular, permanent life insurance policies accumulate cash value over time. With a policy that accumulates cash value, a portion of your premiums grow tax deferred. Some companies offer different investment options to help cash value grow faster, but this approach often carries financial risks. This upshot is that not all policies all accumulate cash value at the same rate. The advantages of cash value are that you can take out loan or make partial withdrawal against your policy, and you may be able to use the cash value to cover premiums. However, these options can significantly reduce your death benefit if you die before the cash value is replenished. A policy with cash value generally will cost more for the same coverage than a policy without cash value, but if you plan to take advantages of the benefit, it may be worth the extra expenses. Whole life insurance. Whole life is permanent coverage with the consistent premiums are granted accumulation of cash value. This policy type may be eligible for dividends from a mutual company and typically is expensive. Whole life insurance is both predictable and flexible, and for those reasons it can be confusing. Some whole life insurance policies specify how long you will have to pay premiums within some policies, and you pay premiums until you die, and with other you pay for a specific period, either in a number of installments or until a certain age. Some whole life insurance policies will even insure you for life after you make just a single relatively large premium payment. This is a case in which an agent financial advisor can help you make the best call for your situation.